Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
Do not attempt unauthorized bypasses that remove screen time without permission. Attempting circumvention can violate law and harm device security. Confirm you are the device owner or have explicit permission before proceeding. If this device belongs to you, gather proof of purchase and the Apple ID details. These items speed legitimate recovery and verification with Apple. Contact Apple support directly for assisted removal options and clear guidance. They will verify ownership and recommend approved reset or removal methods that preserve your data when possible. Prepare proof of purchase and the Apple ID email for Apple support. These items let Apple verify rightful ownership quickly and securely. Explain the situation clearly and provide any requested account details. Apple support can guide account recovery or authorized passcode removal options. They will not provide methods to bypass security without verification. Follow their recommended steps to maintain device integrity and protect personal data during recovery and reset procedures. If you are authorized, erasing the device can remove screen time and requires the Apple ID. Back up your data before any erase to prevent permanent loss. Follow Apple-approved erase or restore paths recommended by support or in your Apple account. Erasing without verification can risk permanent data loss and trigger security flags on the device. After an authorized erase, restore from your backup or reconfigure the device under the correct Apple ID and screen time settings.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.